bushings from what I see, some horns that he ordered, and a dog bone mount. Today we're at a different location. We're at my friend's backyard. So this video has been sponsored by Mandingo. Where's he? Oh, right here. Just letting us use his backyard for this. So we're gonna get started on the process. Camera just popped up. Well, you need me to flash you? What? So we're gonna install this shit on. And I get copyrighted for that music, boy. Alright, we just finished installing. Kenny just finished installing this lovely dog bone.
It was a 13.
You just had it in your hand.
That was a 15.
Check by the blue rag, no?
It was a mass.
Oh, nice. The socket in your ass. Alright. That's right. Can you give it that nice little quarter turn? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just a little more. Come on, man. There you go.
No, I can't do it there. Bruh.
Oh my god.
Oh, are you serious?
You want the little breaker bar? I just drooled over myself, fuck.
Yeah, give me a little one.
It's right there next to you, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Alright, there you go. Just give it that little up and that's it. That's it, there you go, that's it. Yeah, show them those flags, boy. Look at that face of determination. That face of focusness. Oh god. Alright, shit's in there nice.
I'm fucking moving it like I have any strength.
I was gonna say that like really like it's not gonna go anywhere. Alright guys. Shiny.
That shit's done, now let's do
Tight, thread locked, and set, my guy. Oh, fuck. You lucky I had extra bolts laying around. Cause them shit look sketchy. Alright. Next is control arm time. After a long time struggling in a broken bolt, we got it out. Just one side though. So there's a difference?
Just in the...
Well, the bushing is new for one. So
Bro, you can see right through it, like.
So look at this bushing right here. That's old. Look at the new one. New. So now you see why he's been having a rough ride. So again, new. And then, oh, that one doesn't seem that bad.
It was about time anyways.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do about this bolt?
What bolt is it? I gotta see what bolt it is. Hold on. So since we broke the bolt, we gotta take it out and see if I have an extra bolt, but we're gonna take it out with a little persuasion. Hopefully this comes out good. Nice. respects you running, boy. No bush. Fucking guy. Just measure it up. Get a ghetto ass alignment going, and then pop a new one in.
That's for now.
Alright guys, we had a major setback that looks like we're only gonna do one side today, but we couldn't take this out because we didn't have the proper bolt to take. No, fuck. We didn't have the proper socket to take this out. For those who are wondering, this is a 37 or 36. But the way I was able to take this out without removing the axle was pretty much, you need this. Alright, you definitely need this. You need an 18 open ratchet, and you need to keep unscrewing it all the way until it hits that, pretty much hits the axle, and the nut itself is gonna try to push up normally, right? And then when you give it just enough, give it that last push, and the whole thing's gonna pop down. And that's how we were able to get this one out. What? Yeah, thanks. So that's how we got that out. And we're done. Madrid, stand right there so I don't show the plate. Just stand right there. There you go. Yes. Thank you. So it's done. Kenny, what did we learn? That was a bitch to take off, by the way. And we managed to take off without taking the axle.
For like what?
Half a day. So we only got one side done because that shit held us off. So like I said, the trick is to take an 18 wrench, crack this open until it reaches the top, and then just full send it, and it's gonna pop it out. The same pressure from the nut's gonna pop up, and this is gonna press down. That's how this came out.
I think that paint is done.
Maybe. Alright guys, thanks for watching again on this Rust Bucket Mk4. We're getting it fixed. And try to follow Kenny on Instagram and motivated to keep working on the car. And I'm fucking tired. Just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next upload.